A planet this beautiful shouldn't be this hostile, yet Earth hides regions where its natural forces seem engineered to extinguish anything alive. In these places, heat becomes a weapon, pressure becomes a crushing vice, and even the air can turn lethal without warning. They are reminders that our world is ancient, powerful, and indifferent to the survival of the creatures that walk on its surface. And once you step into these zones, it feels less like a visit and more like trespassing into Earth's forbidden territory. Today, we're counting down the top 7 places where nature itself is actively trying to erase life. At number 7 stands the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, a landscape that feels less like Earth and more like a hostile alien world. Temperatures regularly surge past 120 degrees Fahrenheit as volcanic gases seep from the fractured crust. Acid pools glow in neon yellows and greens, their chemistry strong enough to dissolve skin and bone. Even microbes struggle to survive here, making it one of the rare places on Earth almost incompatible with life itself. But the planet has far more brutal environments waiting below the surface. At number 6 lies the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on the planet, and a realm shaped by unimaginable pressure. 7 miles beneath the ocean, the weight of the water could crush a modern submarine instantly. Superheated vents blast out water hot enough to melt metal, surrounded by toxic minerals rising from the mantle. Light cannot reach this abyss, leaving only a black void where survival defies the limits of biology. Yet there is another place where the planet's fury is not silent but explosive. At number 5 rises the Kilauea volcanic zone in Hawaii, one of the most active volcanic systems ever recorded. Here, molten rock churns in lava lakes that behave like oceans of fire. Toxic sulfur dioxide drifts through the air, damaging lungs long before you even smell it. Beneath the surface, pressure builds in magma chambers that can rupture violently without warning. But fire is not the only way nature erases life. Sometimes it happens through deception. At number 4 waits Lake Natron in Tanzania, a deadly mirror that disguises danger behind its calm surface. The lake's alkaline waters are so corrosive they can burn through skin and eyes in seconds. Temperatures soar above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, concentrating minerals that mummify animals into stone-like statues. Its beauty is a trap, masking an environment that rejects nearly every form of life that touches it. Still, Earth holds dangers even more relentless than caustic water or fire. At number 3 roars the Catatumbo lightning corridor in Venezuela, a region struck by more lightning than anywhere else on the planet. For over 200 nights a year, storms unleash thousands of lightning strikes with almost mechanical consistency. Heat, humidity, and wind collide here to form an atmospheric engine of continuous electrical violence. Boats have been shredded and structures obliterated under skies that glow brighter than nearby cities. But one of Earth's deadliest threats is neither fire nor lightning. It is silence. At number 2 rests Lake Nyos in Cameroon, a deceptively peaceful lake with a lethal secret beneath its surface. Deep within it lies a massive pocket of carbon dioxide, trapped under immense pressure. When it erupted in 1986, the invisible cloud flowed across the land and suffocated more than 1,700 people in minutes. The lake still holds enough trapped gas to create another silent catastrophe if natural conditions align again. Yet even this disaster is overshadowed by the most hostile environment our planet has ever created. At number 1 towers the volcanic expanse of the Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia, a region where Earth's raw power is unleashed without restraint. The area contains around 300 volcanoes, including some of the most explosive in human history. Eruptions here can send ash clouds into the stratosphere and trigger pyroclastic flows moving faster than hurricanes. Toxic gases, violent quakes, and shifting ground make the landscape feel alive and constantly on the verge of eruption. It is the ultimate reminder that Earth is not a gentle home, but a powerful force capable of wiping out life in an instant. Which of these places shocked you the most, and would you dare to visit any of them? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the planet's most extreme mysteries.